Man, I had a blast today, and thankfully it didn't go like last time. Because last week, I was gonna make a video, but it turns out we ended up getting caught. It just happens. So instead of learning my lesson, decided to do it a week later. Thankfully, no one interrupted us. And also, no problems with the Truggy. I mean, really only one problem with that one jump like we did in last video with the LST. The Truggy was actually having trouble getting up it. And just a quick update, now that I mention it, with the LST. Servos are all in. Shout out to RC Life 420. Go ahead and subscribe to him. He just gave me that brand new servo. I'm absolutely in love with that servo. That thing is treating me really well. This is almost ready to run. All I need now is a gas tank that doesn't have a crack in it. And I also need a little aluminum mount that goes under the engine. Keeps it from torquing the chassis. But other than that, this thing is pretty much fixed from last video. I won't do it again. But this Truggy is a beast. If any of you guys are willing to pick one up, this is the one to get. And I have the older version of the RTR. Comes with the aluminum chassis, but even the newer ones are really good too. The only issue with me is just hitting things. I end up losing bolts. Gotta pick up another bolt. That'll pretty much be it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Also, if you haven't checked it out, check out the factory bash with the LST. That was a really good video. I'm hoping to do it again. Just gotta remember not to break this. But that'll be it, everyone. So please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Shout out to RC Life 420 for my new throttle servo. And I'll see you later.